And I, Sakshi.
Welcome you all to the news bulletins of Delhi Public School Mahendragarh. We are here to share the highlights of the months of September and October 2025, which were filled with creativity, enthusiasm, and achievements.
Yes, indeed. These 2 months were packed with events that promoted learning, fun, and all-round development. Let's take you through the journey of exciting activities and memorable moments.
We begin the month on a positive note. On 1st September, our pre-primary students participated in the Good Manner activity and Strangers activity, learning essential life and values through role plays and discussion.
The same week included fun-filled activities like count and find your matching chair, backpack activities, and shadow matching on 2nd September, which developed their observation and thinking skills.
Students also explored emotions through the Mood in Frame activity on 3rd September, recognizing and expressing feelings in creative way.
On 5th September, the entire school celebrated Teachers' Day with great enthusiasm. Students organized cultural performances, songs, and skits to express their heartfelt gratitude towards their teachers.
On 6th September, our pre-primary children participated in the traffic rules activity where they learned the importance of road safety and following traffic signals. The same day, they also performed the rabbit and the tortoise, learning the timeless moral, slow and steady wins the race.
Then came the Blue Day celebration on 9th September, where children dressed in shades of blue and enjoyed creative activities like dot painting, show and tell, and the Blue Bull Hunt. The cheerful environment turned the day truly colorful.
We also observed World Literacy Day on 8th September. Our pre-primary learners participated in storytelling and reading sessions, reading and which realized them that books are our best friends.
October began with patriotic zeal. On 1st October, the school celebrated Gandhi Jayanti and Dashera with a special assembly. Pre-primary students also enjoyed art and craft activities marking both festivals.
The day also included the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan activity where students took part in cleanliness drives and demonstrations to honor Mahatma Gandhi's vision of Clean India.
On 4th October, a series of engaging academic activities took place. Hindi Sulik competition, word hunt activity for class 1 and 2, and germination activity for class 1, where students learned how a tiny seed turns into a plant.
The month also marked English Week. We observed 4th to 14th October for classes 1st to 12th. The week featured story writing, creative writing, debate competition and storytelling competitions. 10th October witnessed the successful organization of the second parent-teacher meeting, where the teachers and parents discussed the students' progress and growth.
On 12th October, our teachers participated in a life skills seminar organized by CBSE, where resource person Mrs. Rekha and Mrs. Nirmal appreciated their active participation and presentations.
The following day, 13th October, students from classes 6 to 12 took part in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025, watching the live broadcast organized by the Government of India promoting innovation and problem-solving spirit.
On 14th October, the school hosted an English Creative Writing Week and felicitation ceremony to honor Aradhya Yadav class 6A and Aditya Yadav class 3A for winning silver medals in the state level Taekwondo Championship at Sonipat.
15th October was a truly action-packed day. The school conducted an English debate competition, a science subject enrichment activity on safety rules and first aid, and a road safety quiz for classes 3rd to 12th.
The same day, achievers Siddharth class 8th A gold, Namya class 5th B silver, and Ruhansh class 4th bronze were felicitated for their outstanding performance in the North India Karate Championship held at Haridwar.
Festive vibes filled the campus on 16th October when the school celebrated Diwali, Parents and children from pre-nursery to class 8 participated in creative competitions. Classroom lit up with decorations and diyas.
On 17th October, another proud moment arrived as Pushkal Raj from class 3rd was honored in the morning assembly for winning gold medal in karate championship. The month ended on a sporty note with inter-house cricket tournament from 27th to 30th October. The matches were full of energy, team spirit and sportsmanship, truly a perfect conclusion to two eventful months.
So friends, that was a wonderful journey of September and October 2025 at DPS Mahendragarh. Months that blended learning, joy and achievement.
Each event, big or small, helped our students grow wiser, stronger, and more confident. We'll look forward to many more such memorable moments in the months ahead.
That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you and have a great day ahead.